Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you today?
I'm good, great, and wonderful.
Honorable Mr. Khalil Hossain as the founding father of Basic English course. Honorable Mr. Fuad Al-Mustareh as the director of Basic English course. Respectable Mr. Rudy as the Mr. Rudy, the supervisor of active meeting. Honorable Brother Holil, the chief of active meeting. Unforgettable, all of my friends whom I love. So first of all, thanks unto our God who has been giving us messages and blessings so we can attend in this place in good situation and happy situation. Okay, so without further ado, I would like to deliver my speech in front of y'all. So my speech is gonna be education. Have you ever heard being a good education in our life? Guys, have you ever heard? Whatever? Okay, I will deliver about that. So the first, there was a person said that being a good education, you have to learn new things in your every single day. No need to stay and wait for being perfect time, and you have to directly do it. No need to be a perfect time, And education is the light that removes darkness from our life. It helps people understand what is right and wrong. What is right and wrong, and make better decisions. It teaches us how to read, how to write, how to think, and also solve our problem. Okay. If you ever heard a country with educated people become strong and successful, like in so many countries, it becomes successful because the educator is balanced. It's not like this part is the below one, this part is the above one. It's not like that. It's balanced. A person without education struggles, but a person with knowledge grows. That's why, like when we came here, we need education like English, right? If you want to become fluent in English, you have to do it. No need to be in perfect time, or no need to get good partner. Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Learning new skills is part of learning, part of education. Part of education. Part of education. Okay. So we have to, as we can see, like our good teacher in this place, like Mr. Rudy, before they become it, they need education, same like us right now. So that's why I say to you all, you have to do it as soon as possible. No need to be in a perfect time. So directly you have to do it. Okay. So the last I say, thanks for being a good listener, and thanks for paying attention. See you next you. Thank you.